God does not need validation. He doesn't need affirmation. He is God all by himself. He doesn't need consultation. He doesn't need a loan from you. He doesn't need a grant. If God asks us for anything, it is because he wants to bless us. When he asks us to forgive, you think he's asking you to forgive because he doesn't like chaos. God just doesn't like two people fighting. You people can fight and kill yourselves. Doesn't take anything. He will not stop being God. When he asks us to forgive, he's telling us to forgive for our sakes. How many people are you angry with and they don't know that you are angry with them? They are sleeping in their homes. You are laying in your bed. Acid is burning your stomach. And then when God asks you to forgive, you say, no, don't forgive. Just let the acid burn a hole.